welcome to everyone. A very good afternoon. So very warm welcome to Immersion 2024. And PBL is what? Experiential, right? So let's take that experience.
We need to prepare them for jobs we can't even imagine, for a world we can't imagine. And so is it memorizing content, or is it actually being able to see an issue or challenge, to problem solve, and come up with some creative solutions? That's why I believe project-based learning is so critical for the children that we serve.
So what you've done there with the blocks, those blocks represent your thoughts. So those thoughts are now out there, and what you've done, the idea of categorizing them helps you generate meaning.
For me, there was just one thing. If the teacher is speaking, you listen. The ability to pay sustained attention is at the core of learning process.
The parent simply doesn't know the future that you are able to visualize. So as school heads, as teachers, our responsibility becomes to orient them towards what the big idea is. What to expect, what not to expect.
Believe me, when you will take the first step, you'll have lots of issues and challenges, you'll face it. But the moment you have decided to do it, believe me, you'll get the guts to overcome those set of challenges also.